Alright, so I got the cable management done. I ended up having to use an electrical conduit because I needed it to be a little stiff so it doesn't sag and I can push it, but it had to be flexible enough that it can bend when I move the carriage over. So this is what it looks like when I crank it, and you can see it pushes over here and then it bends over there. But I also screwed it down on a pivot so it can turn as the carriage gets moved, and then as I move it back, it flips back. I'm still gonna have to put the cable away. It goes up here to the DRO. So I would say the X-axis is installed, and now I'm gonna go off and do the Y and the Z. Pretty excited about this. This is awesome.